All right, today we made it out to West Watkins Lake. Not so much a magnet fishing day, but just kind of learning how to use my new kayak. We got my Christmas present out. I got me a nice little kayak, thanks to the wonderful husband. Anyway, we're gonna go test it out and maybe do some magnet fishing.
All right, recording.
Love you. All right, you guys, I'm gonna test out this kayak business. Nice, and let me put my other glove back on. All right, so as I was saying, I've never kayaked before, but I really wanted a kayak, so my husband got me one for Christmas. Oh, that's very shallow right here. You can see the bottom. There's a little duck. Hi, ducky. Alright, let's see how long it takes us to get back. We're going into the current. Oh, it's so nice out here. Woo, I'm getting the hang of it. Alright, you guys. So, got it tied on to the front of the boat like that. That's going to carry us on in. Oh, that was cold. Didn't realize how shallow we already were. Nothing so far. Alright, we're gonna have to, I think, get out a little bit further at least. I'm gonna drop this in. I'm not too deep right here. And we didn't catch anything at all. This is definitely a little bit more difficult than I thought it was gonna be. These ducks just want to keep coming and saying hi. I'm pretty proud of myself that I haven't tipped this thing over yet. I'm not a very coordinated person. I went last night and I got this little blue oar to match it and my life jacket. Finally, the cops are leaving. my game plan is to come a little closer to this dock and magnet fish around that. No, nothing at all. No?
Try throwing your anchor and just hang out.
Yeah, I figured that's what you were doing. I should just drop it here, you think?
Yeah.
I can just drop it?
Yeah, let's put it up. Don't let it get tangled. Oh, too late.
It's not too late. Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh, shit. The current's taking me away. The current's taking me away. I wish that this had somewhere to put this.
There is. It's up front.
Yeah, I know, but then it's in the way of my magnet and rope.
Set it inside your feet.
Oh, that was cold on my foot. There's something in here. There's a pin. Oh, the water from the rope is cold. Oh. Whew. Yeah. Cold. I put my anchor down, so hopefully it actually helps keep me in one-ish area. Nope, didn't catch anything. Gotta be careful leaning too much. That one just had some clay on it. Give it a second to scoot down to the bottom. Hopefully we find something good. Always thought it'd be cool to like find a ring or something and then try to find the owner of it. Still nothing. I may not have any luck today. Ugh. Another clip back on. Whew. Trying to drain some of the water off the rope out here so it's not getting me soaked. Nothing. Alright, I'm gonna try to... Oh, I don't know about this. Yeah, I don't know about that. Oh, we're gonna go that way with it, though. It's a lot harder to throw in here than I thought it'd be. You have to have some good upper body strength. Man, still nothing. All right. Oh, that duck scared the shit out of me. Well, they just made me jump, so.
Doesn't that sound like they're laughing?
Yeah. Alright. Let's pull ourselves towards where I dropped the anchor. Slowly. My goodness. Well, anchor's heavy. Alright. We're going to paddle over on this side of the dock and see if we can catch something over there. Babe, I really love my kayak. Thank you. It's so much fun.
You getting used to it?
Yeah, I feel like it. I feel like I can move it a lot faster. And I can... and I could spin in a circle. Maybe.
case you guys were wondering, whenever you come out here on a kayak, make sure you pay the $5 boat fee, because it's a good thing we did, because the police rolled up on us the second we got here. Didn't even have the kayak in the water yet. We came out here last time and didn't really catch much, so I don't think I'm going to get anything this time, but this is what I'm using. It's a welder magnet ground. Normally there's a brass rod that goes through here and you connect it and it grounds you, but I just put an eye bolt through it and that's now my magnet until I could order me one off of eBay. That was dog junk. She's got the fancy magnet. I just got my piece of shit welding magnet that I turned into a fishing magnet.
Here, open this up.
I heard something ping on my end.
Did you really?
I hope. I heard something ting.
Be a little jealous if you got something already.
No, I didn't. Sounded like it. Ducks following you at first?
Yeah.
I'm telling you, I think you need to go over to the swimming areas.
Probably. Hopefully we don't get attacked by this big old bird. All right. Hope this wasn't a bad idea. We're gonna come back over here a little bit more. Get our anchor ready. Drop it down. Oh, put this in there. All right. Whew. That one got me a little wet. We are way up by the shoreline. Let's see if there's anything good over here.
First catch of the day. You ready to see what it is? I got a paper clip. Oh yeah, that's right. That's going in the keep box for sure. Catch of the day. All right, you guys, that's gonna do it for me. I'm gonna pick up my paper clip. Don't want to leave my trophy behind. So I got that. That's the catch of the day right there. Bet she don't catch nothing like that.
Nothing still. Water's pretty clear today. Where are we gonna throw it at?
Your butt got wet. You catch anything yet? A rock? You ain't gonna believe what I caught. I didn't whenever you asked me. You're gonna have to wait until we edit the video to find out though. It's a pretty good one.
Is it a ring?
No.
I'd like to get out.
I filled it up with juice.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Ugh. Oh.
So how you liking it so far?
I like it. It's fun. It's a lot more work than I thought it'd be, but
Yeah.
yeah, my butt's a little wet. I think this is dead. I can't get it to turn back on.
All right.
I just gotta take.
All right, you guys. So far, I'm the only one that caught some. It's killing her to know what I caught. I told her I showed her up bad. Yeah, she caught a rock with a little bit of lead in it, but ain't nothing equivalent to mine. You guys seen what I got.
All right, made it out of the kayak without flipping, thanks to my husband, because I tried and it was wobbly.
I'm gonna keep an eye on you, make sure you didn't peek, because I got it hidden.
Okay, I'm not. He keeps telling me he found something really good and he won't tell me what it is, and all I found was one rock, and that was after the GoPro died. So you didn't even get to see one piddly little rock with some lead in it. So he's making me go get the truck. My arms are a little sore, and my sleeves are wet, and my tush is wet. He said he's gonna keep an eye on me, so that I don't look. He said he has it hidden. I really want to know what he found. I'm gonna show off on my own video. Well, he's gonna get a wet seat. Shit. Nervous. Backing down into the dock. You always see those videos of like the trucks with the boats on it, which granted I don't have a boat on it, and they put their truck in the water. My husband would be pissed.
Alright, you guys, this ought to be interesting. For one, my seat is where she don't really fit in it. And for two, she hates backing up, let alone backing down a dock that she's not going to be able to see where she's going. So let's see how she does. She's got the GoPro on her head, so I'm sure you guys will be able to hear her freaking out unless she don't say anything. Doing good so far. Oh, getting a little off track. Straighten it out. We're gonna load up the kayak, and that's gonna be a day. Unfortunately, we didn't really get nothing good, but this is just trip one. We're gonna try going different places, and eventually I'm gonna get a kayak as well and see how it goes. But come on back. Come on back. Come on back. Come on. A little more. That's good.
I definitely can't see anything at all.
Come on back. Come on.
No!
A little more. That's good.
Your truck goes in the water, it's your own damn fault.
If it goes in the water, it's just is what it is. Come on, let's get this thing loaded up.
All right, life jacket.
I paid everything in it except for the paddle. Did it work better once you adjusted it?
Yeah, it was better that way.
How the hell did the pen get?
I don't know. Should I get my gloves? I think this is still recording.
Yeah, that's fine. I want it to record. Oh, you gotta put your magnet in here.
Need help?
Nope.
All right. Muscle man's got it. You want your drink?
Yeah.
This window's locked, or the store's locked. you got it hidden at?
Show you, don't worry.
My cute little waterproof bag. And
You guys, and just like that, it's loaded up. Got it loaded in the back. Just one strap over it to kind of keep it from teeter-tottering out. Ain't really gonna do much, but if it goes to flop out, it won't let it. Come get in. We'll get up here out the way and then I'll show you what I got. You are gonna be amazed.
amazed.
Amazed. Pull right over here.
Butt's a little wet.
Nope, my butt ain't wet.
Oh, I hope it is.
Show everybody what you look like with the GoPro on.
I'm sure I look like an idiot.
All right, let's get out and compare.
What? My rock's probably gone.
Your rock. At the end of the day, yours is a rock. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Look away. There it is, big old keeper.
Oh my gosh, really? Staple?
Yeah, that's a big fish right there. That's,
No, I win.
no,
I got a rock.
that's the best catch of the day. You got a rock. I could go pick up a million rocks down there.
Yeah,
You ain't gonna pick up a staple down there.
You really had me convinced it was something good.
That is something good.
No, it's
You
not.
could probably recycle that. Save the fish.
Save the fish.
Yeah, that could
Oh
corrode in
my
the water.
gosh, you're a jerk.
All right, you ready to go home?
Something really good.
It was really good.
Yeah, okay, you got staple.
You got a rock.
Oh my gosh.
All right, let's go home. All right, you guys, we're gonna try one more place.
Oh goodness. We need a slower entrance.
Here, I'm gonna let you do this.
Oh, dear Lord. Which way do you go?
Well, they're right there up front, but
Oh, this leads you to the same road.
yeah.
That was dumb. This way is less muddy. Oh, dear Lord. Don't be stupid. This required more off-roading than I was prepared for. Look, my dick is bigger than yours. That's what it says under the bridge here. There you go. Watch out for glass. Time to do some sketchy shit. Okay, babe.
Hopefully we don't piss them off. Dear God, look at all that debris.
I can't see over the hood of the truck, so.
Looking. just one turn off.
Yeah, it just goes right down to the riverbed though.
Yep.
This is just a little cul-de-sac, it looks like.
Is it?
There's some burn barrels back here.
Yeah, it looks like people just turn around down here. Unless there's a trail or something that we can't see because it's grown up. And we ain't turning around back there. If we turn around right there, we'll probably get fucking nails and shit in our tires. Not a dump. Tell the people that dump all their shit here.
At least now I can say I've been down here before.
Yeah. Now we're gonna go through this mud hole.
Really?
No.
You just washed your car? My driver's license up. Oh, am I recording or am I talking?
I guess I can talk. Alright, you guys, that's gonna wrap up the day. Didn't really catch nothing except for my big old trophy. But
Yeah, big O trophy.
in case anybody's wondering, we're out here at West Watkins Reservoir. Nice little place out here. It wasn't too far of a drive for us, so this is where we came. But we'll see you guys next time. We got a cop coming up, so I gotta put the phone down.